still 10 minutes left. Kinda hate it. Well. Can't even press this button, right? It's so tempting. Press to play, but I have to wait until the clock hits 7. I haven't particularly planned out what I wanted to do for these 10 minutes because I sure as hell wanted to be live during said time period. But I hadn't really figured that out yet. Is my my PC suiting itself? It shouldn't. Alright. Excuse me. Yeah, you might be able to hear it. I have a little gaseous problem right now. I don't know if this cam is actually gonna render stuttery, cause it did just now. Or at least it looked like that on the preview. Oh yeah, I am doing something on my phone for a moment, so don't mind that. Yeah, I don't really know what to do, cause I told my friends I'd call them like 10 before, but they also said like that's a little early, we're not gonna be in there yet. In the meantime, we might just work on the project I've been working on in the background, just on my own. Because I've been working working to rewrite a Discord bot called Patrick Bateman. Because he's silly and he's kind of goof build. Did I just hear a notification? Or is that my phone? Could be my phone. Anyways, I'm gonna just call them up and see what happens. I did put the plushies in the background, as they should be.
Yo, hi.
It was Cansman's Destiny to play Destiny 2. Hell yeah, Atlantic. You hyped?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So I spent like, I think it was last Sunday, I spent a whole bunch of time theory crafting builds.
Oh.
Only to find out that the aspects would change to be easy to use, so most of my theory crafting was null
Hold
and
on,
void.
what do you mean the aspects were changed to be easier to use?
Feed the Void doesn't proc off of only Void abilities, it just procs off of any ability.
Yeah.
I did not know. I did not know that.
Oh, hold on.
I was.
I'm gonna boot my Destiny, and I'm gonna take a quick piss.
Did you always have facial hair? I'm sorry. I oftentimes I do actually have very short hairs on my chin, because literally within like 1.5 days after shaving it returns like this.
Damn, the
like,
new title screen is epic.
Yeah, so what I've done is I have just opened the title screen and I have not pressed the play to do anything. Because I'm gonna click that the second I hit 7.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because that starts the connection to the server.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
that way you don't have to boot the game at 7. So
Alright.
you'll hopefully be in slightly earlier.
Well, I'm gonna take a quick piss.
Guess I never noticed in the dark. I mean, I tend to want to stay clean shaved, to be honest, because I prefer it. But for some
don't
reason,
believe him. He fell into a vat of tarantulas as a child. That's what you have to be. Hey.
like, I just have like my facial hair has gotten a little darker, and it grows back stupid quick. So if I don't shave like every 2/3 of a week, it'll get really gross. So I shave like thrice a week to keep it down. Otherwise a little yucky. But I am currently taking a quick look at I'm taking a quick look at the revamped version of Patrick Bateman. So I guess I could show this to you guys because there's nothing particularly in here. I am gonna remove a whole bunch of these because they're like inside jokes. Don't look, but there's also some hair on top of your head. What? I don't see it.
Look.
I don't see it. What? I don't see it. There is no hair. Stop lying to me. I can't see it. I think my forehead's too big. Also, this pluck of hair is just doing its own thing again. Oh, the countdown. The countdown. I'm unironically going to set a fucking alarm clock on my phone.
Alright, let me know. Let me know when it goes off, so I can also press enter.
I'll do it. I'll do it 1 minute before 7, and then we can just pay attention to the clock. All right, Wrath of the Machine. Now that would be cool. Dude, I wish Wrath was in here.
I wish Scourge was in this game. I fucking miss Scourge. Scourge, my beloved.
Hold on.
Anyways, chat. Here you go. This is the development environment.
I've got a funny joke. I've got a funny joke.
Is the joke me? Am I the joke?
No.
Your joke will never be as
Raid
funny
Guide
as
is
the-
temporarily out of stock. Casper, can you restock Raid Guide?
No, it's on a minute cooldown.
Really? Alright, I'll play it
Anyways,
then.
chat. So this is what the old Patrick Whitman like reply
Which is on the road.
feature. How it used to work. Where you'd have a trigger, it check for the triggers, then pass this string into replies, and instead I have rewritten that to look like this, where you have just the bundling name with all the replies and the triggers bundled in one.
Which is on the
And
road.
if you want user-specific replies, I have a different file for that has user IDs that it's allowed to trigger these on. And that is totally saved a bird's life, so I'm slightly much better than all of you.
Yeah,
You know what? Because you're slightly much better, I'm going to time you out for a minute.
I don't think Raid
No,
Guide
I'm
is
not
on
gonna.
a cooldown. I think it's just out of stock for the rest of the stream. It says
could
check
be.
again on next stream. Man, you ruined my joke.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Nah, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it, Glendick. Anyways, so I want to. By the way, I'm just gonna delete all of this. This was never used. Fuck that. Anything related to this spooky G can go. This can also go.
I hate you, Spooky G.
I mean, yeah, too bad. Enjoy Destiny 2. I think we will.
Destiny.
I do
man.
think we will, yeah.
I theory crafted like a build or two on Prismatic Warlock, but they're not going to be available. And then I theory crafted something that I want to jump into the campaign with because it means I don't have to change my equipment when I get Prismatic. It means I just
you
have
wanna
to.
like go craft a build the moment we load in instead of jumping into the campaign.
No. I pre-made a build that synergizes with the default Prismatic Warlock equipment.
Okay.
That way, I don't have to change anything, and I can just play to a
Big brain.
decent optimum.
You know, I'm just gonna play Stasis Hunter with Renewal Grasp and like Wicked Implement. Gasper, turns out right, Wicked Implement has Headstone on the catalyst.
Yeah, like this is the entire this is the sole reason that Flute Pepin and we went to get the Wicked Implement catalyst.
Yeah, no, I did it with like some LFGs. I wanted to do it just so to have done it because I still like the weapon. But remember when I was complaining because I was playing Stasis Hunter, I was complaining it didn't have Headstone, so it was just kind of shit.
Yeah.
Turns out they changed that and gave a Headstone on the catalyst.
Yeah, so you're full
Wow.
of shit, huh?
And even better, if you destroy the Headstone crystal with the gun, it will spawn a large stasis shard, which will give you like a third of your melee energy. It's insane.
Anyway, yeah, I genuinely think that Wicked Implement is like pretty good now as long as you have the catalyst for it.
Yeah, it's pretty good because it's like decent single target because it slows and freezes pretty easily, and it can do pretty good ad clear of Headstone.
Oh, that's the last minute. The alarm just went off. Get ready. We have a minute. We're gonna be okay.
50
So
seconds.
very weird scene transition because this is the thingy. Shame I couldn't get the catalyst. I actually spent a whole bunch of time getting the catalyst and also like unlocking it. But I can tell you, Wicked Implement with catalyst.
Oh, you
I
have an
mean-
ornament? Jealous.
Yeah, because you got it for Bright Dust in the Season of the Deep.
Oh.
30 seconds.
You hyped?
I'm waiting.
Yeah, but are you
one
hyped?
of us is gonna get in immediately, and the others are gonna get in an hour later.
But Casper, are you hyped or not? This is your first day one. The day one.
10
DLC.
seconds.
How does it feel? Casper, how does it feel?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It should be out now. It's I mean, game is releasing.
On the dot.
I wonder if they'll put it on the core playlist or what, if they don't put the mission on a rotator. I would not be surprised if they put deep dives into the bin, because it's a seasonal activity, and they
Also-
just make it a random drop.
Can we just agree that if someone gets disconnected, the rest of the fire team immediately goes into orbit?
Yeah, because I read they're not available. The fuck you mean the servers are not available? It's 7. It's out right now.
G help. It's right there.
Uh-oh. I'm just gonna keep doing this. So which ones refer to Among Us? This is already in there.
Signing in. Come on. I also got the dismiss message, but now it's signing in again. Let's try again, I hope.
Yes, the two
Attention.
servers are not available. Let me
I
restart my
mean, they're
game.
probably getting overloaded right now. We won't be the only ones that try to click on it the second it pops up.
Yeah, I'm gonna restart my game too. That might help.
I'm not going to. I'm just gonna stick it. I'm going to need a Margaret Thatcher.
Margaret Thatcher.
I'm gonna need a Margaret Thatcher respawn module. So we'll just do this. And what else do we need? A lobster activity. Now the fun part here is, right, the only people that are actually going to be able to add additional things to this bot is going to be Crabs and me, to keep it in the same style. Because if I let bloody anyone just add something, it is going to be uber cursed.
Hank
Connecting.
Cole.
Hank Cole.
Hank Cole. Hoetjes on the vloer.
The enemies will receive 2 axes to the face.
Who?
Yeah, you
Why
throw
not
2
3?
Oh, you throw free.
Oh, huge! Incredible news!
Yeah, you throw 3. It makes it even better.
Battle axes have never looked this good.
I know, right? Okay, so Lober and Lobster activity. Going to the triggers for
That
this.
stream title is In the Traveler, straight up shaping it, and by it, haha, well, let's just say.
Oh wait, I missed that. He's so based.
What?
I love Dado. Dado is so based.
What did he say?
Like the stream title that Flu just mentioned.
I didn't hear it.
In the Traveler, straight up shaping it, and by it, haha. Well, let's just say that's the title. It ends there.
Hmm.
Okay, so this is another Hank Cole reply, which I think. Did I already add that? No, I didn't. Oh yeah, I forgot I have the foul northerner as one of the triggers for the Margaret Thatcher replies.
Oh no.
Yeah. It's from the Elden Ring time period we had.
Yeah, on Elden Ring release. No, actually a month after, because I got the game only a month after.
Oh, I do have a Hank Crawl thing in here.
Roll.
I thought I hadn't added that to this yet.
I met an American in the shop the other day, and he had the most California accent. Called
Yeah,
my
the
English fabulous. My
Today
man
is
was
Friday in California.
like my man was actually yassified.
What? He was wearing a jacket?
I'm
You will
going
be-
to punch.
You will be the first to go when the final shape happens.
Chat, clip it. That was worth it. That was worth it. Here we go.
What, being on the hit list?
Yeah, that was so worth it. So I reckon I'm supposed to be on this signing in page.
I don't know.
Normally it's different. Normally it's like 1 moment, please.
Yeah, 1 moment please means you're in a queue.
Oh, oops! I pressed the wrong button.
What?
What did you click?
I accidentally. Okay, so. Chat, I'm sorry. Instead of pressing the instant clip button, I pressed the 30-second ad break button because they're right next to one another.
He's
And-
a fool,
I
he
need to have
knows
that. I
the
need to have that
truth.
button there
There's a
because.
role of a
Oh, did I
silly
disable that
man.
reward? Oh, I disabled it. I could remove the ad break button. That's pretty cool. I might remove the ad break button. I want this clip, and I'll keep it for later. Safekeeping, storage, safe storage, keeping. Yes, please. Thanks. I'm gonna make a clip of me being put on the hit list by 2 people. This is a trigger for thanks, Patrick. Just slowly but surely going through this. I didn't get any ad, kick W. Good. Because Twitch ads suck. They suck nuts. Garfield replies. Garfield replies. Garfield.
The fish.
Le fiche au chocolat. I'm still getting the servers aren't available.
Yeah.
Dado's in the same position as we are now, so.
Yeah, but I'm looking for. This is Bungie helped, but the Twitter's still there. Or...
I mean, it makes sense that their servers are absolutely completely overloaded.
Yeah, but if they say like, oh, it's an hour extra of maintenance, that'd be cool.
I mean,
How
makes
the fuck
sense.
do you use Twitter?
You have to make an account, I think.
No, I can't see the most recent posts. I think. What the...
I don't know. I hate Twitter.
Yeah,
I
same.
made a Twitter, and then I wanted to interact with a couple cool Titanfall people, and I'll be honest with you, I stopped. I stopped very quickly because Twitter was shit.
How do you see someone's most recent post?
I don't know. Go to posts, tweets, X's, whatever it is.
Yeah, and it gives me one from 2023.
Interesting. Well, I'm getting some work done on Patrick. I mean, once this thing is done, I'm going to be publicizing the source code. I got the other version of Twitch mobile app, so I usually don't get ads. That's pretty neat. Actually, that's the Lightfall OST. Nerd emoji. Nerd.
White shit.
Oh wait. Yeah, you're right. Never mind.
That's the first DLC launch I was there for day 1.
What was?
It is in my head. Beyond Light.
Uh-huh.
I currently have the in-game music turned off.
What?
Well, that's a good idea. You're gonna be here for a while.
Notes. Hi. Set to own bot user ID. Eventually, I want to add something quirky to Patrick's functionality. You know, Flute. Do you remember when at some point Patrick was trying to say like random user or something?
No.
Basically, okay, it was like several years ago, but basically Patrick wasn't able to actually have different things inserted into the strings he'd be replying. So I'm actually going to give Krabs a small little, like a tiny little platform to be able to add simple and harmless pieces of code to the strings, like to the replies. That's going to be funny as fuck. But it's going to take me a long while to make it. So it's getting done last. Can't wait though. I think once this thing is done, it's going to be one of the most silly, ridiculous, stupid bots I've ever cooked. And I already cooked like one of the worst horrible machinations of mankind. Which is this thing. Walter. Oh, oops. There you go. I mean, at least I'm doing something while waiting. We got in early, so hopefully it's a queue system.
Well, it's
No,
only a
but
queue
just-
system where you see, please,
The
like,
servers are off.
yeah.
Red message means the servers are just not on. Once it says 1 moment please, you're in the queue. The queue is fake though. The queue is not real.
Yeah, but I also heard people say that they are in. Like I like when I look at Dado's chat, there's people saying like, "Oh my god, I'm in."
Yeah, but it's also Dato's chat, so you know, take with a grain of salt for 20.
Because he's like got like 26,000 people in there, and I reckon a whole bunch of them.
Astrocross has 78,000. Wait, hold
Jesus fucking Christ.
Oh yeah, he does. 78.2k.
Hold on.
That is like more than some categories.
Yeah.
Dato and Astrocross have half of the viewers in the category.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie, Amy.
It's happening again. One singular Destiny streamer is beating Fortnite.
One singular
But,
Destiny
like-
streamer is beating Minecraft.
Okay.
Yeah, because
but,
Minecraft is lower than
That is
Fortnite.
true.
I mean, in a way,
Hold on.
I would like to think that what's it called? This game is better than
Yo, Astacross and Dado are together. They are beating Valorant as a category. Goddamn. That is actually pretty impressive.
I mean, that's what happens when you have a large audience. Look, I
The
according
only
to
two
Twitch, I have
categories-
5 people in my chat, and I'm not gonna lie, chat. I appreciate you more than I would appreciate 20,000 people.
That is true. That is true. But the only two categories beating Destiny 2 right now are GTA 5 and just chatting. Only two categories.
And people aren't even in the expansion yet.
Yeah.
That's even funnier. Oh god, I just realized all the fucking Among Us replies.
I remember during Garden Day when Dato was beating Fortnite. And that was during Fortnite peak.
Would we go with the servers war?
It'd be so funny if they just forgot to turn the servers on. He's like, oops, yeah, sorry guys, we bungeed it.
Buggy.
Bringy.
So which replies were these again? This is the Margaret Thatcher ones. There we go. Oh, and chat, let's just put on some music, right? And then we'll skip the eerie track that I was originally planning to play before, you know, before like the countdown, but I forgot about that. I forgot that I wanted to do it. Oops. I'm great at streaming. We
They
could
should-
also,
they
if we
should
want,
have used they should have used Journey as the title screen track. Just like the D one. I think
Yeah.
people would die.
I think they would. I'm listening to the Traveler's Dream right now, apparently.
I'm listening to.
Oh, that's just the track that's playing in my game.
I'm currently listening to. Well, okay, I'll be very honest with you. It's fucking Star Rail OST. It almost always is. Granted, Flute, you heard the Penacony OST. That shit's good.
Jazz.
Oh shit. Okay, I forgot that I had different categories of deep rock. Wait, there's a bug in my room. I will proceed to kill it, probably. Soon, TM. But yeah, the Penacony OST like goes hard, and they released the album on Spotify.
Okay.
So instantly I was like, Poggers, yes, new segment to my playlist. Flood, if you want, we could also consider continuing with the Stellaris thing we were doing.
Once we are actually in the queue, yeah. This music goes fucking hard.
The in-game one.
Yeah.
Well, I wanted to re-enable the music, but I couldn't. Like, I couldn't access the settings.
Help.bungie.net.
Did I not give the pipe bomb a reply? No, I did. Okay, that means I should have sorted through all this now. So if I open this and I collapse the replies and such wherever possible.
Have you ever thought about? Astrocross just lost 10k viewers.
Lord,
He just gained 10k viewers.
did he?
He's on 84k.
Yeah, he did.
Oh, for me, who is on 70? He's on 76. What the hell?
There's an annoying little bug in my room. I might try to slap him in a moment. Alright, so this should be, for now, the replies that it can give. There's gonna be more. Like, basically, what I did, chat, is this is the file that's currently storing all the replies. But I have added functionality, except for these. I still need to make these, clearly. I have added functionality to be able to, what's it called? Add and edit the replies. Which is going to be very goofy and funky. And I can't wait. Do you think they forgot to, Nah, there's no way the servers... They forgot to turn them on at the right hour. Hell no.
Jasper, just have patience.
Once I waited for 1.5 hours for her release. It was a season, not even a DLC.
What season was it?
I don't remember. A while ago though.
Someone drew the witness as a cat. You guys want to see
The Kidness? Yeah, I've seen it. It's cute.
this thing?
Oh, that one. Oh, that's a classic. Fucking love that image. Cat smoke.
Alright. So, edit reply. This is going to need... Nah, shit. I need to, Yeah, I might want to throw exceptions there. You couldn't find anything on the Bungie thing?
No. Because that one's also being overloaded.
Ah, I see. Yeah, 429. Oh, hey, I managed to load onto the page. Network troubleshooting? Which one? Which one should I go to? Platform support, content support, error codes, troubleshooting. Bungie help. Okay, I found the Bungie help Twitter. Is it gonna make me log in? Fuck off with the damn cookies. Yeah, I still have the feeling that Twitter algo just kind of fucks with the order that these tweets are viewed in or posted in. And I can't go to the Can I do this? Can I bypass it? Nah. Okay, so I cannot access Twitter
Why not?
because I have to log in and I refuse to do so. And while I'm at it on my other screen, I'm very quickly gonna wipe the Twitter cookies that are now on there.
Dim isn't gonna work on launch, right? You know that?
I have it open just in case.
It's
Dim
not
is
gonna
not
work
gonna
on
work.
launch. It's gonna be useless.
It's going to
Absolutely
take you
useful.
genuine minutes to get one gun.
Okay.
At that point, go to orbit and open your vault manually.
I mean, maybe after you hit a checkpoint, yeah. I just have my dim open for Destiny 2 streams. Like, I just have it.
What?
Also because even though technically it won't work, it still has API data stored in the cookies as a backup to load faster. So I can see the guns I have and I can still filter them, so I know what to look for. Alright. Let's keep going with I see the bug. It does not look like a mosquito. But if I need to get the vacuum cleaner to get rid of it, I will. Also chat, here's Finn. Finn is cute little shark. I have him right here. As per usual. Because I don't know, childish ass idiot. So I think I can do this. This is reply. Hey, Jadency, Mr. OG here. In 2020. That is a while.
Who is Mr. OG?
Someone who was here last, like, a year ago.
I've heard
Okay.
we're losing.
Hello, Fern. Well, coding, yes.
We are
because
losing
we're not getting
time. That is what we are.
I'm losing the battle to
But how
internet.
are you doing, Jadenzy? Welcome back. Long time no see. But yeah, in the meantime, I'm doing this. How long have I been following? I can't check. I think you could just type followage. But clearly I'm not following myself. Which is probably good, because if I was, I would probably get a recursion error. Okay, so we're not going to want to pop. We're
Holy
going to want to...
Well,
3
check
years,
Discord.
yes. It's been very long. You were here originally during Titanfall streams, I just checked. So, I have a user ID requirement for the replies. I'm looking for the alias, and I'm looking for the user in that.
Now I'm curious.
This...
Ah, 3 years, 9 months. Jesus Christ.
I see a design error in this code. Because it checks if this is in here, though this field may not exist if this is false.
Haha!
You beat everyone, Flute. I mean, granted, Flute, like, weren't we in class when I first started streaming?
Yes.
Like, like at school, I still sometimes have friends who are just like, what? How the fuck? Whenever I tell them, like, hey, I still hang out nearly daily with just friends from middle school. I do that.
I beat Amy by 10 days.
I
10 days?
think I'm going to have to do this ugly little thing, chat.
What do you mean 10
I
days?
may be stupid.
That's a month
A month and 20 days.
That's 50 days. That's not 10 days. Where did you get 10 days from?
So a month is 30, and 30 minus 25 is 5, plus 5 is 10.
What?
You see?
No.
I'm just
I
smart.
hate doing this to fix this oversight. But the main reason I have to do this and then indent this is because I cannot run this if this is true. Sorry, if this is false. Because then it's going to check this field, and this field is not present in one of the two files that it might load. Like, all this is going to do, right? Here in get replies, it needs to know if it's specific. And then it just loads a different file path and returns that.
Yo, Flu, you wanna watch Doctor Who while we wait?
No. If I tab out the game, it closes.
What?
So or not closes, but it minimizes. And
Oh.
so I can't be there to press escape and keep tabs on the game.
That's tragic. I'll watch Family Guy then.
And Lois.
Yeah.
Yo,
Hey,
stream Family Guy.
Yeah, sure.
If
If I stream on Discord and Casper streams his Discord, would it be illegal?
Yes.
I don't want to watch a show I'm actually invested in while pressing escape every 10 seconds.
Don't you have a second
Fair enough.
screen? Flute, I thought you had a second screen. Cause then you don't have to. Then you can just safely tab out and tab back in and still watch. Yeah, whatever. Anyways, that is that problem fixed. Now, so I get the reply data, then I cancel if this is not present, and then if the user doesn't have access to it, that is specified here, which is there for, so you can filter easily on which aliases you want to do. So basically, I just want to make sure that whenever the autofill is going to give answers, that it's not incorrect. And otherwise, I mean, this functionality could always be removed, but it's no biggie. Then I need the index to be correct. And then I need to... I don't want to pop this, because that seems like a bad idea. We're going to want to do... So this is a reply. we're going to want to do
Casper
index
for a bit. I'm
minus
trying to
1
watch Family Guy.
is the new reply value, and then we write it. And I think that's all I have to do for the edit. So I do this, and we retrofit it. I could probably rebuild this to be a method. And then pass this string. I could probably do that. I might. But this is no biggie. I just done goofed it. There we go. It's at least easy to keep this up to date. And it's not that complex of a code. Of a piece of code. Hold on, this doesn't make sense. There we are. So we have get replies. If that doesn't exist, you can't edit it. User ID's in there. Data.keys. Because we're looking to specifically index a key. I'll just mute for a moment.
Kalahoshi.
Ooh, Jerenzi with the prime. Poggers. This is gonna take a long while, by the way, to load in. So that's why I just whipped this up. Thanks a ton for the prime, dude. So I think this might be all this code. I might be able to just retrofit this to 3 years. Yeah, it's kind of ridiculous. One of the first. Wow. I check. There you go. I actually did prepare this time. Can I get the thing back on? Thanks. I might, for efficiency's sake, rewrite this to be a function. However, how I'm going to do return statements, I don't know. I could return a Boolean value. Yeah, because I mean, this string changes, right?
But that gaan de recurring characters.
I'm gonna deafen, because they're watching something. Technically, this string is passed around, or this string changes, and the rest of this is the same, except for the alias segments, because this changes. And this changes. So this might have to stay the same. Nah, I'm probably just overcomplicating things. I already did that up here, where I have the get replies and write replies. I have this. But the rest of this should hopefully work. And this creates a new template on the alias, which is pretty nice. I think this is going to just vibe. Which Which means I have this segment done. I wanted the reply manager and the facts manager done, which this is just... This is for the facts. This is a much smaller file. Doesn't need that many. Probably will want to get edit and remove facts. Hold on. Edit and remove facts. Because this also has a private functionality. The reason for this is because there's a whole lot of inside jokes that, like the inside jokes are mostly, for example, like jokes that are on the Discord server that this bot was originally made for. I spent a whole bunch of time separating those facts out from the main list, and I'm going to give every single administrator probably access to making their own facts for Patrick to state. Though maybe if I do that, I would need some kind of moderation, so I'm contemplating not doing that. I'll have to see. But I might be able to show you a quick screenshot of the Discord bot in action. Oh yeah, I need to go through this. I need to remove a couple things I just saw. That makes sense. This is some text from a different Discord bot that I was allowed to use. It's a private Discord bot for the same thing. This doesn't make sense. Okay, maybe we just go through this and remove a couple of these. I do like these lines. Rewrite them a little bit for Patrick. Dismiss to try again, yes. Let's see. Oh god. Some of these are kind of weird. And some of these aren't punctuated. Hold on. Some of these are not punctuated. Wait. Oh dear, you've got to be kidding me. Yeah, this makes sense it's not punctuated. Okay, maybe that's funnier without it being punctuated. That's probably also funnier without being punctuated. This can probably go. That's an inside joke. Fuck you, Perry the Platypus. Oh god, no! Oh no, you've got to be kidding me. That's in there? I never read through most of these. Like some of these were still elusive to me. Oh no, Poggies is in here? You know what, shit. This is an inside joke, so this is going. I need this line to be evaled. So, let's make some kind of note of it. I'll look at those later. God damn it, this is taking a lot of time. Please, Bungaloid. There we go. I mean, that's true. Alright, so this is the line that I wanted to take care of, because this was someone else made a bot and we wanted it to share some of the dialogue. However, this kinda goofballed. Oops. There's credit to the bot creator of a different Discord button here. So I mean, technically they did contribute to this file, I think. I've had this file for years. It's not much more than a text file with a bunch of sentences in it. Put a copy of that in there too. This is also for different to this let me in. No, ethnostate is the right word, I think. What's the deal with airline food? Alright, so these lines are now edited. And I should probably get the what is it? Edit fact. We'll need a guild ID. And then a fact or an index, which is an int. We'll also need so the annoying part here is I will need to know whether I mean I can calculate that from the index quite easily. Facts is self.get facts guild ID. Don't even need to. Well, maybe in a way I do, because I will want to store this. Because this get facts, what it does is it takes the global facts, right? Takes this, and then it glues this onto it. What I'm going to do is instead I'm just going to take this, and this is going to be our repository. We're going to check if the index, by the way, did I index this starting at 1 or starting at 0? So get index. I'm going to see if I can start this at 1. Yeah, this is indexed at 1. So it indexes starting 1 and then goes up. So the first fact would be 1. But Python, unlike Lua, which is a good thing, starts indexing at 0. So this should work. So we get the facts, then we can say private is, and then we're going to state whether or not it's private by saying index minus 1 is larger or equal to the length of facts and then global. So the specific and global replies are stored in different files, but I'm storing all the facts in one file. Maybe not the best idea, but it shouldn't be that big a deal. It needs to be smaller or equal to, because if that is true, actually the index should be smaller or equal to the length and not index minus 1, because technically, in a way, if we're going to start the indexing at 1, then the index of 1 will be the same as the length of the list when it only has 1 entry. So this should be true, or this should be correct. So, okay, yeah. To make it private, the index needs to be over the facts of global. Then we're going to very quickly take a look if, so we can discard global, but we'll need private index is the index minus the length. Okay, so private, okay, I'm gonna need to check in one way or another whether or not this index is out of bounds. If, self dot get facts, or get facts with the guild ID. This should return. That way we can assert that this, like, the index is in range. So then, if not private, we can handle the editing of the fact now. If not private, we handle this now. So facts global index minus 1 is new fact, and then self dot write facts. That should be the only parameter, right? Yep. And then it returns. And then here we can assert that it's private, so we can say index is index minus the length of facts global. So the reason for this is we're going to chuck it, like the user input's going to be just from the index of the global facts, and then the additional private facts are just added to it, to the suggestions. The reason why I want to do it like this is we've now had the global facts, and after that index, technically the first of the private facts are added, but the index on the visual keeps counting. So what you then end up getting is if you want private facts, the first index of the private facts list will be 0. Or well, yeah, 0. So what you end up wanting to do is this is going to go beyond this list, and you want the difference, which is this. So we decrement index by the length of the global facts. I could technically just do minus equal this, and then Python syntax it, which makes sense. And then we could just say facts private. This is going to need a string form of guild ID because of dictionaries. Then the index, and that's the new fact. Okay, so not necessarily because of dictionaries, but how this is going to work is this is going to be a JSON directly loaded from... I should be doing this. There's going to be a JSON directly loaded from... or dictionaries directly loaded from a JSON. And in JSON, you cannot use non-string key values, or like keys. So, if I want to use an int as a key in my JSON file, I'm going to have to convert it to string. Or I convert all these strings to int whenever I get the dictionary. But that adds a whole bunch of processing time. Like when loading this, I could just take this dictionary, go through each private thing, and then change the change this to int. But then I'd be looping through everything, and I feel like that's unnecessary looping. Dude, this track went so hard, like in Star Rail itself. Destined service still unavailable. So now I have edit fact. Alright. And then def remove fact. So we're going to need a guild ID, which is an int. We'll need an index, which is also an int. And that's all we need. We'll need to get the facts, and we'll need to check the index first. Work, please? Oh, both of the Robin tracks right off one another. Then private, of course. Okay, I think this can be most of the same code. However, there is a small operating change here where this is going to go and this is going to go. And instead of doing that, we'll be deleting this entry from the list. So this removes it from the list and from memory. And what then happens is Python itself manages the list to completely fit again, and once we write it, the entry we just deleted will not be present in our JSON file anymore. Let me check. Has it gotten better for Dado as well? Nope. Dado is suffering the same thing. Everyone's suffering the same problem. Alright, I guess so be it. Big shame. I think that's this functionality added. This is process fact. I mean, this is just here in case I want to pre-process a fact before anything is done with it. I think I can just get rid of this because it's not used. There we go. And then this also doesn't use it. As it just returned the same value, right? Yeah, I think that should be that done, and this should also be done now, which means, in a way, int user users is list int. There we go. So I do actually have a class to access this data. So I have reply data, which takes the alias, triggers and replies, and I can get a random reply if I want to, and this also stores the users. But this isn't a class that is used a lot, and I could consider using it a little more, but considering it's mostly handling strings, I don't think it's that sensitive. Like here is used, for example, getting all the stuff. I think that's it though. I just wanted a neat little package to store everything in. Oh, excuse me. All right. So I can rename this. And then I probably want to start writing a cog for this. So cogs. Facts cog. And then how did one do cog again? I'm just gonna steal from this. So this is the fact group. However, I don't necessarily want to make a command called fact, or like fact get, because currently this has access to fact get, I think. Add facts group. I thought this had access to fact get. There's so much junk code in here, like, it doesn't make any sense. Like, this is all, like, horrible code. This is also horrible code. Also horrible code. Like, all of this needs to go. And I'm slowly gonna replace it. There's a whole bunch of stuff that I need to rewrite, but also this, for example, this is going... Where do I have fact get stored? Like, this is like a whole bunch of tomfoolery that should not be added. That shouldn't be in there. This is where I just looked. This isn't of any code in particular. Fact give. Oh, here we go. Yeah, here we just give a random fact. But I don't want to call this give. So discord.py documentation. I love this page, right? So what kind of class is this again? This is a group cog. Commands group cog. So here we can see group name, yes, interaction check. And it's a substitute for commands.group. However, excuse me. What I'm interested in What I'm interested in is not having. I mean, I could do admin fact. Like, maybe this isn't a bad idea. If I do this, right? However, at that point, like, this is going to be admin only, so I'd have to restrict it, and I would probably steal some source code from a different bot for that. This can close, this can close. This can close. Let's make a main commands cog. Which is gonna need these imports at least. Then what else? My slash cog. This is just a basic ass cog. Just let me in. Let me in. Okay. This is also going to need to take one of these. I want this to have a constants manager. However, I do feel like this is going to lose its shit. Because I do think I can just do facts cog here. Because this file doesn't have access to the managers. Could I do this to circumvent that? Because usually if you just add an init.py, that I don't really know. I haven't worked with init.py, which is kind of the problem. Yeah, I need this to accept a constants manager because it's gonna hold the bot token, but it's also going to hold some other stuff that, well, for example, the fact is gonna need this. And the reply manager, I forgot to give it file paths, I think. Yeah, it needs global and specific file path. So this will work. Will it? Reply manager. It needs the full file path. There we go. So this, for the facts manager, does it? Okay, so I don't know if there's a discrepancy here, like if they do this differently. Yeah, you just take the raw file path and then you send it into LJ. Declaration. And this already does open with JSON files, so I don't have to. I can just do this. I remember letting the JSON file, like this little piece of code, because I use it everywhere. I remember just doing this because I was like, okay, I'm just gonna put all the JSON files in that folder. Bungie. 29,000 hours later.
What? Are you in?
Nope.
Driver is. I don't know how you got in.
Norway bias.
Anyway, how are you two holding up? As background maintenance continues, we're investigating reports of players logging into the game experiencing sign-on issues or being placed in a queue. Stay tuned for more updates. Silent update is in. Try to restart the client. I see someone say on a Discord server.
Oh yeah, the fucking the title card thingamajig is also changed now on Steam.
Yeah. Okay, so the trick might be to restarting the game. It might just be that. Let's see. Has Dado done that too? Let's see. Let's see if this helps in any way, shape, or form. No, it didn't help. Womp womp. Yeah, I'm not the only one who it hasn't worked for. Womp womp. Alright. Going back to programming. I'll let you know if I'm in.
Yeah.
Well, that's annoying. So I need to load off of this constant manager, and this doesn't really need anything. It's mostly a static class, but it carries a couple variables. And for example, I want to be able to have access to these or to these in certain locations. So I want to pass this around through my cogbot right here, which is going to hold, hopefully, if I can make that happen, excuse me, from cogs dot fact cog. Might have to so this is the manager. Might have to move cogbot up a layer. Then yet again, then this might also have to be moved up. Okay, so I'm going to restart my entire Steam real quick. Let's see if that helps. I see people in Twitch chat saying Steam helps, or Steam restart helps. So we're gonna see. I'm kind of desperate. Does look awesome. New released content. Poggers. How do I get this Constance Manager to be everywhere? Well, to put all the other files above it, probably. Python import files higher up the folder hierarchy. So package area, use 2 dots as the import statement. Doc says. Okay, let's try this. From backslash managers import. What do I have access to? I have access to bot main. Okay, so I want to go to managers dot constants. No. Oh, okay, so. Let's try this. This should be top priority. I like Python though. It for sure is interesting. Let me in. Let me in. Okay, so 2 dots means up 1 package level. 3 dots is up 2 levels. So if you execute. When a module package is contained with another package, it is possible to make a relative import within the same top package without having to mention the package name. Okay, so what is this managers thing doing? So it has all this stuff. This looks like a default package. Okay, so if I just make an init file, what happens? Does this work? Okay, so from dot import. Okay, import, and then I can't import anything. And then I want to import Constance Manager. But it does not like this. Unresolved reference. Oh! Let it cook.
Huh?
Oh, let it cook.
Why are you in?
Maybe. Let's see. I'm not getting an error and I got a pop-up just now. So I might be. I think it's got a server connection. I restarted my entire Steam. Yep, I'm in.
I also did that, but it didn't help.
Well,
I'll
we're
try
gonna
again.
be watching Family Guys, so you'll know when we're in.
Alright. Yeah, ping me when you're in.
If you anything,
We will
go
kill
break
you.
in your house.
No, I'm not gonna start the campaign though. It might just put me in the first mission. But then I'll just go to orbit. Oh, they changed the Triumph menu. Why do I have a Vow the Disciple? Oh, you get to see the amount of patents you have.
I'm gonna
Wait.
what?
Hold on. What is this?
I'm not watching your stream, Casper.
Increases Val the Disciple adept extra weapon trait chance? Oh, so the more red borders you have collected, the better.
I'm gonna mute him.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'll shut up. Doesn't even ask like, hey, could you stop talking about the game? No, just, I'm gonna mute him. Okay then. Have fun. I thought I... Why do I need to claim these again? Yeah, well, whatever. Well, those are now changed. Transcendent. Now that is a pretty cool title. I think I'm gonna snatch that. Episode Echo titled Triumphs. Intrepid. I mean, that's only starting next week, right? So, Few Journey. Guardian rank stuff. On ship, okay, so that's season rank, seasonal artifact. Alright, makes sense. One of the most important things I want to do right now, before I do anything, is change my sound settings. Because I have not been playing with music on or anything for a little while. Secondly, they changed the lighting over here. They changed the lighting angle. I don't know if I like that. Oh. Huge? And ironically huge? No, I'm interested in knowing. Not yet unlocked. Not yet unlocked. So let's go to the town real quick. Oh, can't do much there. Let's go to the town real quick. What I'm gonna do for a moment is I'm gonna clean up my PC. Because there's a whole bunch of shit open. New music. Let's go, new music. Because the dim's not going to be working for a little while. Let me log in on Thingamabob. Yep. So Rahul got a rework. I'm not the only one in here. Of course, I should do this. Oh wait, you get Tessellation Cat. Targets near the blast of property indestructible are with an elemental effect matching your equipped weapon's damage type. Now that's pretty cool. What's this? I mean, it sure is. That, I think, I only saw a small snippet of it. Looks like a sick looking bike. Nah, it's not cooperating. This is great. Okay, I'm gonna turn the volume down. The master volume. It's too loud. Can we put away the notification that I have this objective thing? Okay, so I don't have the seasonal artifact yet. Can I load this? Oh, that isn't too bad. And what's this one look like? Oh yeah, they changed how shaders looked. I forgot about that. I kind of like this, honestly. Okay, we can't see the bike yet. Hello, Banshee. Do you by chance have new floor drop weapons available? I wouldn't know because I don't know the floor drop weapons.
Till next time.
Okay, so I want to get this Pathfinder thing off of my screen. I want to get it off of my screen. Open the director navigate to Vanguard screen to know more. Okay. Vanguard. So this is where the weekly stuff is happening now. And then you do these to get to the center, and then you get a Prime Engram. I guess that's a pinnacle. You get some Bright Dust, Enhancement Prism. That doesn't look too bad.
Just gonna take a minute.
Nightfall. Oh! Onslaught moved to here. And then they kept this. Oh, that's great. We might, while we're waiting, just do a run of 0 hour. Not 0 hour. It's Vox Obscura? I thought it'd be the other one. Shit. Oh, that's not great. Okay, Season Pass. So, we get Red Death Reformed. Final blows with weapon cure, you may increase reload speed. And when you take damage with this weapon, it gains additional handling to reduce flinch, and movement speed is increased for a short time. And then, I think at the end of the battle pass, it's gonna be the skin for it. Okay, so what is this ghost? Hold on. That looks rad. Not exactly 100% my style, but that looks fucking rad. Oh my god. That looks sick, dude. Let's check this out on the other characters in just a moment, too. So, is the helmet the last one you get?
What the?
Oh, I love this armor set already. Oh, that looks so awesome. I can't wait. I mean, I'll have to. I do think this is a moment where I'm going to get the additional 10% EXP bonus from Ghost. I'm going to unequip this because there's no real point.
Sorry.
And do that. Don't care about the enhancement cores, I'd rather have the glimmer. Red Death Reformed. Feels so weird being at this number. Alright, let's go check a couple vendors then, and see what's poppin'.
Checking.
Okay, the one of the most behated vendors. I mean, I'm right here. Anyway.
Eververse has the goods.
Damn. That's not a bad skin.
Our inventory is stocked, so
Okay, shut the fuck up. I just want to see what kind of shit they have up here. Seasonal. Okay, so you can get that. Oh yeah, this is this conditional skin. I'm not gonna get it though, because I have a different one. And then this is... I just like peeping. I can't do much anyway while waiting, because they really don't want me to start. Oh, you just straight up cannot view sparrows. Alright. I'm mostly interested in weapon ornaments. Like, if anything. Okay, that's disgustingly cool. That suits that's the kind of stuff I like. I hope this is going to end up being in the Bright Dust store. Oh yeah, I did sign in as this. D2 Bright Dust store. Today in Destiny. FFS calendar. I want this to be in the Bright Dust store. Season of the Wish. Yeah, so the dust item. So this is still for the wish. So it'll update later. Oh, this looks rad. Let's check the brightest store. So this has a Whisper skin. Don't particularly care about Whisper that much. I don't use Dawn Chorus anyway. I thought I had this. Oh, yeah, you can't view those. So this is the same shader pool, I think. But the icons are different. Interesting. A lot of Season of the Deep stuff. Alright, so we checked that vendor. I'm not gonna bother running to Big Guy. Just saying. Let's just check this out. Legacy Gear has Malediction, which was one of the ones I didn't get because I couldn't be bothered. Fauna Shape exotics. Lightfall exotics have all of those. I mean, I'm still missing Grand Overture, but I intend to wait with spending my ciphers for a moment.
Tell me, you don't fear Vanguard operations? Do you fear the Crucible?
Perfect pitch. So you're an SMG with Subsistence Incandescent. Or Subsistence Onslaught. And you're a 600 RPM precision frame. With Vanguard's Vindication. That doesn't seem too bad. That really doesn't
There's a
seem
love
too
of the
bad.
fight in you, I think. Come back in.
I should check out what's going on over here. Quickly check the vendors. Is that the new voice or the old voice? I forgot to claim the goddamn ritual vendor engrams I had. Those are the only ones I forgot to do. Yeah, well, bummer. Didn't have that many anyway. Okay, so I could claim Adept Warden's Laws if I wanted to. Oh, I need Nightfall Cipher Adept. Okay, never mind.
Be brave.
Okay, let's go check Ikora. But let's just go past Ada to do so. I always want to get all the shaders from Ada anyway, because it's for Glimmer, so it's free. Dum-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum. Okie dokie.
The loom.
Okay, that's a
Hello
WhatsApp
again.
message. Okay, this is sort of important. I did need to do that real quick.
You know where to find me.
Yeah, sure. What the dog doing? How are you? Oh, of course, you're gonna be guarding rank 11 for a moment, huh? Okay, I'm going to close this. I am gonna close my fucking WhatsApp. Like, I'm getting fed up with this noise. Okay, Hawthorne, show me what you got. So you actually have full reputation. Ascendant alloys. I thought they got removed, but clearly not. For Glimmer. I mean, at least I'm not floating. And yeah, as they said, a whole bunch of stuff from the Is the helm even available? It is. Oh, we should probably go there in a moment then.
Careful out there.
But first,
Yes.
I must
Guardian?
check. Solar. Super. Oh, you cannot get this here. Oh. Oh, that's kind of a big deal, actually. Let me check, double check. This is for an important appointment.
Perhaps a barter is warranted.
Okay, so now you can get rep with Rahul. He still has his old scam piles. I mean, I have all the armor in the game. Okay, so we just got this thingamabob. Right? Oh, that's not in here. Shit. Well, shite. Okay,
Perhaps a barter is warranted.
let's crack these open then. Controversies. Yippee. So there's some actual pinnacle stuff in here that I want to keep. This, garbage. This, apparently not pinnacle. I thought these be pinnacle, but clearly not. Don't care about... I mean, that's 67. This is... It has higher resil, same discipline. I think the one I have right now is just better. So, goodbye. I have decent rolls in my vault. Oh, that right there is one I should keep. So the reason for that is this is now my highest power piece of equipment. And I would rather not get rid of that. And then I also have a prime engram I claim
Transaction
for
to
you.
make, Guardian?
Oh, I opened that immediately. Okay. Now I might want to not do prime engram stuff that soon. That seems like a bad idea, but I kind of want to check out the helm. Because the helm is available. So, let's go to the helm. War table. I think we should be able to get the seasonal thingamabob from here. Yeah. Oh, this looks cool. You still back here? No. I mean, hold on, wait, that makes a lot of sense that he's not. Quest archive. Let me quickly double check that I haven't missed anything. I mean, that might just be pinnacle. It's really weird not having the deep terminal here anymore. I've never had like a year rotate. Like a yearly rotation thing happen? This is one of those dunk terminals, huh? Now, what can I interact with? Go on. Oh, it's at the top of the ladder. I think. Nah, Bungie, don't tease me like this. Is it really in the fucking wall? Did you not remove the interact point? Or did you move it? Come on, give it to me. Yeah, I think that's out of bounds. I don't think I can get there. Okay, can I get the artifact? No! I cannot. Wow. So the helm is completely useless. How is one supposed to get the seasonal artifact? Oh, completing the transmigration mission during the final shape. Alright. Alright. Now, what I need to do real quick is I need to grab stasis loadout. So the reason for this is this has all the stats. And now we need to very quickly get all the weapons. So what we did on stream last Sunday was quite simple. Okay, my friends just quickly talking to them on Discord. We theory crafted last Sunday. So this is the build I want to run right here. So for that, I'm going to break out these weapons. Midnight Coup, Buried Bloodline. I mean, just for Devour if I want it. So let's go get both of those. Midnight Coup. I also need an Edge Transit if I can. And Outbreak. I'd like Outbreak, and otherwise maybe... because I think this is my PvE one. I'll take that one. I would like to have Auto-Loading Cascade. I would like to have... what else? Maybe a Scatter Signal? I mean, I'll use the auto-loading cascade for that. I want my Midnight Coup. I would like the Monarch. What else? Where is the Bloodline? There it is, the Bloodline. So I have these weapons. I still need an Edge Transit. What else do I need? I need Wayframes, of course. That's also something I listed I wanted to take. So probably this specific epitaph. And then I also had a demolitionist roll on a forbearance. If I can find it. There we go. And then lastly, could always take the Osprey, but that's probably going to be a day 1 weapon. Envy's bait and switch. Now, I don't know how the fragments are going to modify my equipment. Okie dokie, hold on. Oi oi, yoo-hoo. Hold on, I need to send Amy a screenshot of the Kvostov skin, because it's fucking
Ik ben heel
bothering.
even weg, ik ben zo terug.
Alright.
New conditional skin too. I really like this skin. I need to get a good shot of it. Alright, I'm gonna spoiler tag it in DMs. There you go. Enjoying your show? Question mark. Oh. Okay, special ammo finder, special scout. Locked. Oh, that's for... Oh.
Ah.
Hello, hello, hello.
Ah.
Ah.
Hi.
Oh, they added colors to armor mods!
Oh, lovely. No, they changed the shaders, didn't they?
Yeah?
No. Oh no. I'm still trying to get in.
Yeah, I mean, makes sense.
No luck so far. We might just have to start the campaign tomorrow because I do want to go to bed at like 10:30 max.
Oh, no, I want to go to bed late. I was planning to stay up until like 1 a.m.
Yeah, but we're all free tomorrow, right? Or are you just gonna work on school?
I do have a whole bunch of schoolwork that I need to do.
Why don't you do that like while we are waiting for the queue?
Because I'm streaming right now. I'm not gonna make schoolwork while streaming.
Then why didn't you think of this before?
I already spent like 6 hours on schoolwork today. Why would I do more schoolwork? I'm fucking done. I am pooped, as one would say. I do need to make sure that this all has confetti. You know, all things considered, it's probably a good thing that these wave-framed grenade launchers don't have access to extra mag. Oops. Oh shit! It's not even spoilers. They changed it like uncrafted legendary weapons.
Hey, what?
You can enhance uncrafted legendary weapons.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Boggers, I did not know that.
What does it cost?
I think so the first thing, tier 1 enhancement, costs Glimmer and enhancement core. It's probably gonna go up to, I don't know, maybe Ascendant Alloy, because they didn't remove
If it goes up to golf balls, I'm gonna fucking murder someone.
It's probably gonna go to basketballs.
Alright, basketball's fine. I have like a lot of those.
I mean, I still have 25. The armor, like the exotic armor artifice slot part does cost a cipher.
I mean, that is fair enough because that's like, yeah, that is fair enough.
I'm so going. Actually, is it even a good idea for me to cipher my? Probably not even a good idea to cipher my Controverse loadout because it's pretty maxed out on stats. But Destiny Armor Pick is probably gonna come out with a patch that like states, that probably like allows you to toggle whether or not it uses the funny thing. I might, if you guys are fine with it, go do like old planetary bounties, like on old planets. Just to level the season pass a little.
Okay.
Also, there's a free Arbalest quest. Probably not going to be 1900. I'm so tempted to just click on the Traveler, but I shouldn't. The temptation.
No.
Yeah, I know. I'm not gonna say anything about the season armor except that it looks good. It looks really good, like really, really good.
Okay.
I'm gonna get at the game. Can't they just like borrow some server space from Helldivers or something?
Okay, I'm going to very quickly.
They just can't stay in
Hold on, I
there.
accidentally got a like the cutscene you get when you load the game that I skipped.
They built. They thrived.
So
You
I'm gonna
skipped it.
Yeah, I loaded onto a different character because I didn't
A
notice.
terrible calamity caused
my
by the
God.
Traveler's oldest enemy.
Alright, give me a second.
It brought the people of Sol to the brink of extinction. When all hope seemed lost, the Traveler saved humanity by creating us. With the Traveler's light, Ghosts and Guardians together protected the last city from the forces of darkness. No matter the cost. But we soon learned even that was more complicated than we thought. Our enemies wielded the light, shaking our faith in what we once thought we knew. From old conflicts grew new alliances. And just as our enemies learned to wield the light, we found a way to leverage the darkness. In that darkness, we rediscovered the being responsible for humanity's collapse. The Witness.
Pretty good recap cutscene.
It wishes to create what it calls the final shape. Our universe, perfected in the name of salvation. Everything calcified into eternity. We've tried to follow
Is
the
that
Witness
Cramps?
into the Traveler, and every attempt has failed. Until now. Vanguard Scout Crow wished his way inside. The paracausal bond he shares with his twin sister will guide us safely through.
Alright, let's see what happens.
Our leaders prepare a strike force to enter the Traveler, to confront the Witness. That's our role. the tip of the spear. Every battle we've fought has brought us to here and now. It's time.
That's pretty cool. Good recap scene. I guess you lot are gonna keep watching this stuff. Because then
What,
I'm just
Family
gonna, yeah.
Well,
then
we
I'm
can just watch Family Go away because we have nothing else to do.
yeah. Because then I'm just gonna go do planetary bounties.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Just ping me when you're in.
Okay.
Alright. Cutscene gaming. I accidentally skipped through these the first time around. Skeleton! I'm a little late with that reaction, but we don't talk about that.
Is it possible?
The original thingy-majig cutscene where you get rezzed.
There you are. You don't know how long I've been looking for you.
Oh, this is the trailer. The trailer of this is really badass, so I don't mind watching it. Close enough to the trailer. Looks like a more extended thing.
You live without purpose,
Oh dear.
anguish, bliss, a meaningless cycle of action and reaction. Let's bring an end to your futile exertions. A final shape is coming. Chaos untangled, made knowable with immaculate intent. Let us know you and be reborn
That can't be nice.
into perfection.
Do not let them cook. Hello? Stop letting them cook.
You're still resisting.
The witness nears the final shape.
New EA, let's go.
We're initiating Operation Ahamkara. Now,
It's a cool
The Traveler
cutscene though.
cannot abate it much longer. The portal is unstable.
Ikora, the Guardian, me. I won't lose another soldier in this war.
He does well. That's fucking sick.
I feel the grasp of the witness. It's fighting me. This might be the end.
Oh no, how edgy. That's my thing. Stop.
If it is, it was an honor to serve the last city with you.
Alright. And now the mission starts, I guess. At which point I'm going to orbit. Hello? Oh, this is no longer the cutscene that I was in. It's loading something now. Oh! You can skip out of it! Oh, that's rad. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. We skipped out of it. Great. I wanted to check the season pass. Why? Okay. This looks so sick. This also looks so sick. This also looks sick. I like the theming of this. Anyway, go to the tower real quick and go to Rahul to cash in on these exotic engrams. Because I want to level Rahul. Because resetting Rahul's rank at least once. Oh yeah, seasonal challenges. So. Defeat combatants with supers. Exotic mission wildcard. So that's after the campaign. That's kind of a spoiler. Gather a feather. Defeat guardians with void damage in the crucible. That's not happening yet. Though the intent is to finish the campaign before Thursday, hopefully, so probably tomorrow. I don't have that much work I need to do tomorrow, so should be alright. I really want to get to playing, but I have to wait. I need to pull up something. 1 second. This is probably not gonna work. Grab this real quick. Loading is taking very long. That's to be expected. Let me in. Let me in. I have one exotic engram. How many did I have on, because Dim keeps this stored. Only one on time, too. Alright, we'll just do that later. I'll just, gameplay, change character. Yes, please. Now, do not disconnect me. I would be somewhat disappointed. Thank you. So, the idea is we go do some area bounties. So, we probably go to Devrim and grab some bounties from him. Oh god, my friends like Florpy Slurp saw that I have him renamed that way. Okay, I need to take a screenshot of this real quick. There's a guy, these two people are waiting to get in so that we can do the campaign together. I need to change his nickname real quick because he brought up something good. Hold on. I might need to check real quick. Did I spell that correctly? Because that is the name of a Hearthstone character, even though I don't play the game anymore. Floop. Come on. Show me. Alright, that's spelled correctly. Great. Oh, it doesn't want to let me in. It doesn't want to let me in. It does not want to. I think the servers chat themselves, chat. I think it's done for. Yeah. Would I just start tomorrow? No. There's your answer. No. No, I don't want to. I really don't want to. Today. Or as Aatrox would say in Runeterra, today is the last day. But just change the word last to best and then, you know. Sit there away for the remaining 90 minutes I'm awake. Yeah. You've got to be kidding me. Let me in. Let me in. Nah, if you want to go to bed, I'm not going to stop you. But you asked me if I want to do it tomorrow, then, I give you the answer. Even if it's probably not the best one. I want to do it today. Okay, finally. Oh god, it's re-enabled all the new light tutorials. Because the servers are full. And I'm just one of the lucky ones, They changed how the supers look.
Be careful.
Yeah, I'm loving the super icon color as well. Defeat enemies, precision kills, fallen. I don't have a sniper rifle on me. Might still pick this up regardless.
Good luck.
What exactly the status changes are? There was a whole patch notes list on them, but I should probably change this build up. This was buffed. probably go to get rid of this. Frost armor is increased duration and maximum stack count. Stasis shards track to your location. Could go for Whisper of Bonds. Increase the melee energy from picking up shards. Could just go this. Probably not a bad idea. I'm in. Let's go. Now for flute. Okay, so let's go get those stasis fragments in a moment. Because you just need to buy them at LCs. I can't hit for shit, dude. Random ass lost sector. Was this a lost sector or not? No, it wasn't. Lost sector back here. Oh, hell no, you gotta be kidding me. Get out of that wall. Blues! I'm getting blues! Where is Flute in? Are you both in?
No.
No, not both.
Yo, kan iemand Luke Smith even telefoneren? Hij heeft mijn router gesunset.
Damn.
I am still streaming, but yeah. I'm just doing some EDZ bounties real quick to get some extra battle pass EXP.
Whisper Torment is good now, though, right?
Which one was that?
The one that gives you grenade energy when damaged.
It already was pretty good.
No, it only gave like 5% on hit.
No, it was alright, but it was inconsistent. So
But
then
now,
maybe-
now it's good, right?
It was based on your health, so if you were constantly with an overshield on full health, it gave barely anything, but if you were low, it gave like 5 or 7%. Now it just gives 7, I think.
Okay, but hold on, 7 what?
7%.
Damn, Outbreak really chunks through these nightmare sharks. Even though I'm not hitting precisions at all.
Just use a rocket launcher.
I want to have some fun with Outbreak.
Put a rocket in Outbreak.
That is literally just called Quicksilver Store.
No, because Outbreak actually looks good.
Okay, I mean, I do kind of like how Quicksilver looks now.
Yeah, but Quicksilver looks like I grabbed the cheese grater from my kitchen and put some tubing in it.
I'm trying to look for the squid that said the changes in stasis.
Oh, did you find the super yet, Caspus?
No, it's locked behind the campaign, probably. Also, I'm getting blues.
Hmm?
Yeah,
Yeah, we're getting blues again. It's time.
yeah, that's what happens.
No, my inventory was so clean.
I mean, at least we won't need the legendary shots. I might do
never
something.
needed those.
I might do something horrendous and look at the exotics collections page.
I mean, that's fine, but you know, don't tell me about them. I want to look at them myself.
Let's see, I need some more enemies defeated in the EDZ, and then I have level 2 of the battle pass.
Okay, Whisper Torment grants 7% grenade energy upon receiving damage, while you have Frost Armor energy per damage event increases from 7% to 12%.
Wait, 12%?
Yeah.
Not bad.
So I might just do that.
That's pretty good. If you want to actually use a grenade.
Do you think it's something you run on Osmiomancy?
No.
Probably not, but I'm running Renewal
Osmiomancy gets
Grasp.
grenade from Osmiomancy.
Yeah, I'm
It sure
running.
does.
I'm running. What's it called? You know what it's called. You know what I mean.
It's fucking Horfrost thingamajig.
She's a hunter.
Oh,
I'm running Renewal Grasps.
oh. it's
Casper,
Renewal
we
Grasp.
got the Warlock, the Titan, and the Hunter.
Yes, I did prep for that. I'm going to be the nerd, casting a whole bunch of abilities.
Look at this
hopefully.
nerd, he is too weak to engage in melee combat.
Lamau.
You say, me having bootleg worm gods, also known as Winter Sky.
I'm going to throw 3 axes.
Winter's guy.
Yeah.
I got a guy.
Oh, it's
then-
him. It's
got- I
Winter
got-
Sky.
Got a guy.
Winter
named
guy.
Winter.
That sounds
Okay,
right.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna look at the exotic armor page.
I'm
Yeah,
looking for my
okay.
shotgun. I can't find it.
Okay, so yeah, it really is just the 2 pieces they revealed.
Yeah, it's 2 pieces per expansion. You get 1 at the end of the campaign, I think.
Alright, I
At
got my
least I hope.
Basso Scanato. I think I'm good. I don't immediately sorted again. I'm fucking retarded. This is the second time I've done this.
The vault moment.
Oh, you can see the revealed things, but there is one secret exotic you can't see, which is gonna be hype.
Status.
Final
Anyway,
shape bonus items
Right.
at
while you have
Shawhan.
Frost Armor, melee damage slows your target. I might just grab that in a glaive and just go
Right.
ham.
Hive,
Should I grab that and what's it called,
Super
Winter Bite, and
power.
just go ham?
With Triton Virus?
No, not with Trident Fights, with Renewal Grasps.
You could do that.
Remember it's still a legend campaign and there's the new guys. So
So melee.
I mean, I fully intend to take the
it's not
thing
that
out.
melee isn't an option, it's that I suspect at least one of them is gonna
Yeah, I'll just take
success
Wicked Implement and a shotgun and Renewal Grasps, and I'll be fine. Also, you get healing from Frost Armor, right?
Oh,
Yeah, a little bit.
Did you see Pine's pronouns on Discord or dick at people?
Yeah, long ago. I actually saw that like months ago, and I asked him about it. He was like, "It's funny."
I saw that yesterday, I didn't know we had that for a while.
Hey, I got a legendary weapon to drop, and it's kind of shite, but it has more power than the stuff I already had, so I kind of have to keep it.
Anyway, yeah, I think Wicked Implement will be pretty good now because you just free Frost Armor at a distance.
Yo, send me a Steam invite. This
Why?
will work, trust me.
Will it?
I don't know, I hope so.
I mean, I can try.
I don't know whether or not the Steam invite will work until we look inside of the DMs. Alright, schizophrenic ramblings in my head.
Yeah, you are a bit of schizo right now, Casper.
Okay, rub it in.
You know, I'm sorry, just have to let you know.
If anyone here just gets so it's me, I already see things that aren't there occasionally.
For real?
I think it's just shadows.
I mean, if you do see things that aren't there occasionally, then that's kind of base, no?
Yeah, I saw Pine once.
He doesn't
Oh.
exist.
I
If there
fucking
aren't
hate
if
the
there
new
aren't
sh-
any children around, he doesn't exist.
I hate the new Oh my god. I hate the new shader like layout, but the new shader in the store is lovely.
Oh wait, Bungie.
New Ace of Spades ornament.
Is it
Oh,
the 1K that's holding in the cutscene?
no, but you're gonna love this. Do you want me to send you a screenshot?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, you're gonna
Is it the chicken one?
No, it's a new one and you're gonna fucking love it.
Yeah, I did see it and I thought of flute.
Oh!
It is not pink though, so.
Someone took a piece out of the Vex network.
Groove Adele. New shader.
Vex network. There was a joke in my head brewing, and it suddenly disappeared.
I could get the Wormhusk crown ornament.
Wait, I ran all the way around. The Cosmodrome is a funky little bunch.
I'm gonna load in something and test this shit out. Actually, I'm gonna go past Rahul first. Anyway, I might just drag out my bedtime a little bit.
A little bit, you say? A little bit?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you're dragging out your bedtime, at what time do you want to start tomorrow?
I'll be awake at like 10 probably at least. We just say start at 10.
No guarantees. I occasionally sleep through my alarm.
I might just straight up not be done with work at 10, but
Set several alarms for.
No, I sleep through several alarms.
yeah,
doesn't happen more, but it
I
happens.
kind of may or may not have like several alarms as well, and if I don't have like 9 alarms set, I will not wake up in time. And mind you, those alarms start going off 2 hours before I actually have to go out of bed.
Ingram Insider's stamp or wait. Our boy Rahul has fucking what's it called now? Lovely.
Vendor, yeah.
Okay, for Inspector Exotic. And what's this?
We just probably shouldn't be doing this.
Okay,
any
so
solar damage on me?
the Hunter Exotics are kind of mediocre, if I'm being real.
No. The thingamajig that jolts things. You know what else it does?
What?
Gives you damage reduction based on the amount of jolted targets around you.
Okay.
So
Yo,
it's
Desolation.
not bad. You just didn't read the entire effect.
Okay, Desolation Catalyst is targets near the blast property irreducible are afflicted burden first with an elemental effect matching their equipped grenade's damage type. Lovely. Got a shit ton of resources, bank for rule.
Yeah, first thing I did was I spent a good bit of time in the tower, just going through random stuff, seeing if there's anything cool in there.
Alright. Why is it talking to me about Pathfinder? How do I remove this from my screen?
Go to the Vanguard operations thing.
Okay. And I can't wait to get into the campaign.
Pulse rifles feel really good now.
It's not the only weapon that's been buffed, right?
It's not the only one, no.
What else got buffed?
I don't remember. I just know pulse rifles do kind of hit now.
Oh, new ritual guy, ritual weapon.
I'm bored. I'm gonna go open up.
I got one of the new guns, but it was kind of ass, so I didn't pay attention.
It's got subsistence onslaught and a fucking 600 RPM solar.
Oh yeah, subsistence onslaught. It has subsistence in incandescent too.
Yeah, not bad. Okay, I went to Vanguard and nothing happened. Like it's still there.
Click on the bottom left.
Hold on. Oh, you mean on the map? I went to Zavala.
Congratulations. I would almost post a GIF, but I can't.
Megatron on his PC.
Man.
I got a blue. Let's go. I love my looter shooter before the legendary cap. Playing this looter shooter feels so
I
good.
sometimes miss the sound of picking up a white or green item.
I've forgotten what it even sounds like to get a
I've never
blue.
picked one up.
Yeah.
Can this fucking single vandal stop
Casper
running?
will never know the joy of using a pariah. New light
Word.
splits.
Would not call using the pariah joy, but you know you do.
I was about to say, that sounds like a wide gun with like half a barrel perk, and then like, I don't know, 2 chunks of poop as like the
Thank you for your
the
input,
primary text. I'm kinda empty.
Where the fuck did all my glimmer go? I
Oh,
could have.
yours.
Did they delete the glimmer? No, they didn't. Don't think they did. I do think they
Okay.
took a whole chunk. At least that is what it feels like.
It does. I'm gonna grab some more glimmer from Rahul and visit LZ real quick. What the fuck
I
happened
need
to
to
my
go to
outfit?
Elsie.
Why am I suddenly wearing all blues?
Oh, did
Hey Cora, what did you do to me?
oh
I
yeah.
was so confused. Like I was just wearing.
Have
the
you
fucking
never
War
collected the
Mask
new
outfit.
light kits from Ikora?
No. Oh, and I just deleted everything. So okay, there go my powerful. I'm gonna talk about that.
Okay,
Modern
I need
technology
2 more
curve.
precision kills.
I do hope we're gonna get at least one mission done before I have to go to bed.
You mean
Hopefully.
have to go to bed?
My mom's gonna get pissed at me. No, I don't. But
Just be very quiet.
that won't help. She'll still get very pissed at me.
I'm so hyped for the campaign, yet here I am at the Cosmodrome farming a bounty.
I am no longer hyped.
Why?
What do you think?
Still in the queue.
Escape. Oh, complaining works.
Hell
Every
yeah.
time I start complaining and
Casper,
then
into
one
orbit. Into orbit.
No,
Come
I'm
on.
still loading it. There's no
Oh.
guarantees.
Also, he wants to watch the cutscene, then it'll take a
Oh,
couple
yeah, of
minutes.
course.
I'll deafen during the cutscene. You don't have to skip.
Good idea.
That's what we
I'll quickly
always do.
visit LZ.
Clearly has never been on the launch day before.
Wow, who would have thunk? Started playing in Defiance.
Oh no.
What?
Attention is over the 1 moment, please. What do I do?
Honeydew. I cannot load into Europe. Europe.
Okay, got another bounty done.
Hold on, there's several acts?
Oh yeah, turns out the seasonal thing is gonna have several chapters.
Yeah, it's an episode. It's not a season anymore.
Oh,
Episodes like by schizophrenia. I'm sorry.
okay, Casper. What ghosts are you guys gonna be running?
The same one as last time.
I'm just wondering.
I still have the bright cycle shell, and I kind of like that.
Radit.
I really want to check the new Sparrow you get, but you can't. You literally cannot load Sparrows, I think. Oh no, never mind. I did. Oh, and it looks fucking sick. Okay. The pre-order Sparrow looks absolutely awesome.
I'm gonna be using skateboard.
I mean, yeah, me too. But the Sparrow does look awesome. Okay, I just got new
Wait,
age black
I can't
armor.
use a skateboard during the campaign. That's gonna be fun.
Let me try visiting LZ again.
Yeah, I need it. I'm going to go to LZ now and see. I mean, I had a rough time loading in. Hello, Ragnar. How's it going?
You guys know in the Dreaming City when you're trying to go to like the spire with the Oracle, you have to drive across some rocks and like just when you exit the normal load zone, you have to make like a curve or like a bend around some rocks.
Yeah.
Yeah, and have you ever tried jumping over it with your bike? Or your
I
skateboard?
consistently do that.
And you fucking explode. Like there's just a death wall.
Oh yeah, you do have to follow the path, otherwise you do explode. But
Yeah, I didn't know that.
I am not
tried
allowed to
jump
load
over
into
it.
Europa.
yeah, me neither. It'll be fun. Just give it a moment. It's gonna eventually error code us, and then we can try again. I love how Bungie servers are about as slow as me making a French exam.
There's about 500,000 players trying to log in. It's fair enough.
500,000.
Should have just prepared temporary server stuff.
Yeah, just use Helldivers. They're not using them anymore.
Okay. Do we for the fun of it want to check Steam charts real quick?
Sure.
Helldivers. Okay, I'll check on stream. Steam charts. Helldivers. Helldivers 2. Hello? Show me the options. There we go. Yeah, it ain't great. It ain't great. It is not great.
How much is it?
Okay, so compared to February, where like early March, when the problems weren't there yet, you had a good 440,000 players. Its current peak players is 125,000.
Hello.
It has fell off, yes. But I'll send a screenshot. Here you go. Have a screenie. Ooh, I loaded.
I didn't.
Yippee! I'm going here just for the fucking stasis things, and then I'm going back to the Cosmodrome to finish those 2 bounties. Otherwise, I will forget. I don't want to do sniper rifle kills, so I'm just not going to do that. Yes, Gib. Just 10k a piece? Sure.
Oh, it loaded. Loving it.
Lovely jubbly.
Lovely jubbly.
Why me?
That's something else, but yeah. Everybody loves David Tennant.
Matthew Smithhew. He invented time, you know?
Whisper chill. I am the freeze.
What?
Chill Bill from Skylanders.
I don't remember that.
Okay, but what do I do?
What?
Like
What do you
this?
You loaded in? Oh.
mean? Press escape.
Yeah, press escape.
Still says 1 moment, please.
Okay, that one
No,
moment
you
please
wait.
is
Good, that's
better
good.
than. Yeah, okay, so Flute, what do you do when you're prompted with something like that? A. Quit the game. B. Press the only button that is available to press. Or C. Do nothing.
I was doing nothing.
Homie.
But Pine said to do nothing. Like, he AFK'd this entire thing and he was in after you.
Huh.
Like, immediately after you.
I am stuck in a load zone.
L.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah, I need some form of
Bungie
solar
servers
damage real
shitting
quick.
itself. Why are there
Buggy.
people at what's it called?
Because you get to retain your Guardian rank. For
No,
a
but
little
like,
bit.
why are people at Varix?
Okay, so why exactly am I in the Cosmodrome?
For bounties. But why would you ever do Varix bounties?
I don't know. Maybe they give a bit of EXP?
No, they suck. Varix bounties suck. You need hereafter pieces.
Okay, I have like a shit ton of those.
Yes, and then you need to do some shit ass bounty. John Destiny 2, Hobbit Feet, and Sakura. Man, those Guardian rank 11 Godslayer motherfuckers, I cannot take them seriously. I'm sorry.
Oh, I have a couple of them in my friends list. They're really cool people.
I cannot take them seriously. If you use a Godslayer title, I'm sorry, but gotta am.
It's
Well,
the
that
sick
sounds
as fuck
cool.
title!
Yeah, Goldplayer's cool.
You're throwing a hissy fit.
I'm not. Jasper, do you know what hissy fit means? You should, because you're very familiar. You seem to be very familiar with this term.
Close enough.
Stop bickering in voice chat.
I'm not bickering.
I gave my second screen of side eye. You can't see it, but it's there.
Well, you just gave. Okay, yeah, sure. Just do that, won't you?
You're on my second screen.
Yeah, of course I am. Thought so. New buff position.
Well, you want to be on the first screen.
Yeah.
My game is on there.
Okay, and is your
I
game
need to be able
more
to press
important?
escape.
Hey, Bungie, can we kick like 300,000 people?
Loving
God
the new
damn it.
book,
I'm getting honey, dude. I'm getting honey, dude. I'm trying to load in, dude. Let me load. Let me in. Let me in. Dim's about as dead as a bunch of rats in the basement.
I'm the last one in, lads. I'm not in yet, though.
Dim
everyone
says
else
it
is.
has API data, but it doesn't. It's not up to date at all.
Okay,
Honeydew.
Frost armor is fucking cool. I am tanky as fuck. And my frost armor doesn't decay while I'm standing inside of my dusk fields.
It indeed does not. Great, huh? I'm doing the curse thing where I vault all this new infusion fodder that I got. I shouldn't have done that. I should not have done that. That's not a good idea, because folded items don't count. I'm an idiot. Newest, yes please.
Loving stasis so far. Hello, Briggs.
Let me into the damn
I just straight up get frost armor while chilling inside of my dusk field. It's lovely.
I wish I could load into anything.
Renewal grasps are so strong now, goddamn. You also get healing from frost armor.
No, but you get healing from
Honeydew.
shard. You have the aspect.
Alright. I want to break free. I was getting frozen over here. It's not very nice of him.
I don't think I can load into anything. This is infuriating.
At least you're in the game.
You would need to get healing from shards. I think Stasis Titan will be, like, by far the strongest still.
What'd
I
you
mean,
say, Andy?
Stasis Warlock was much better than
You
Stasis
do not
Titan.
get a lot of healing from shards.
Do you have the aspect?
I just... What? Grim Harvest?
Yeah.
Yeah. Also, it doesn't say... Yeah, Grim Harvest doesn't say anything about healing.
It does though. That's
Where?
they put it in patch notes.
Bazunga. Hey, cheese, how's it going?
Defeating slowed or frozen targets creates stasis shards. These
Yeah, but they put it in the
shards...
patch notes.
Okay. Well, I do get healing, but not a lot.
Okay, I can go to the tower, but I cannot go to a random ass motherfucking planet. I'm alive, which is good. It sure is. Okay, let's try the next thing to load into. Wait, what's this?
I wonder what the chance is to create a stasis shard while defeating a slowed enemy while you have frost armor.
Ew!
And I'm gonna be playing stasis for the campaign. Until we get prismatic at least. You're still not in a...
Nope.
What?
Okay, I like the idea of Pathstrider, but some of this stuff is so conditional. In Crucible playlist, defeat Titan opponents, or defeat opponents by jolting them with Arc.
Just kill Titans. It's most of the Crucible population anyway.
I found a blue.
Red. Oh, there's so much Gambit in here. Yucky.
fuck?
What GM is it? Oh, it's not open. Oh, the first GM is Grandmaster difficulty in Nightfalls opens June 25th. Okay,
Yeah.
but it's gonna be Glassway. Yippee!
My tinnitus is showing up again. Can it go away?
Let me in, please. Please, I ask of you politely. Let me in. Let me in. Let me on the planet. Let me in, please. I want in.
Wah, wah.
Significantly less hyped for launch day next year.
I already was because it's not. It's gonna be shit. They have no reason to make that an actual good DLC unless this year does really well.
I mean, mostly because I'm not looking forward to not being able to load into anything.
You're in the game.
I'm on menu
Stop
simulator.
complaining. Gasper, seriously, stop complaining.
No, I'm complaining. You can't
I
do
don't
anything about
even know if I'm actually like loading in or not because it keeps saying one moment please, but it also keeps saying like, hey, press escape to dismiss.
Flute, you just want to play Stellaris
No.
until you hear the thing say that you can join? Or like,
I would've
until you hear the
progressed
thing
more.
that loaded? Okay, then.
How much DR does Frost Armor give again? Like 7%?
No.
7% per stack. And you can
No, 4% per stack, right?
didn't it end at 30 something percent?
Yeah, then it was probably
Excuse
4%
me.
per stack.
Like the highest was 7 stacks, so you could get 30 something.
Then it was probably 4%
Yeah.
per stack. Gonna be a fucking tank. Alright, so instead of damage reduction wall in Duskfields, you now just get Frost Armor. But the enemies still deal reduced damage. So, that's lovely. So you can still make a Thunderdome. Now, if anyone would be so kind to use Red Death Reborn. Just kidding.
I still need to get the buried bloodline catalyst.
I still need to get Buried Bloodline. How about
I
that?
think
I love how character buffs and weapon buffs are now displayed separately. It's lovely.
I have not been able to see that yet.
Tragic.
Oh?
I was able to join the EDZ once, and now I'm stuck in the honeydew cycle.
Did you...
So I either loaded in or I got booted to menu.
Oh, now it's saying contacting Destiny.
Wait, is it like
Sector
having a
servers.
spinny thing in the middle?
No, in the bottom. No, it just had that. Now it's in the bottom right, but it also said attention that contacting Destiny 2 servers. Is it an overhead or a low?
Let's go gambling! Aw, dang it. Is it an
No,
aw
it's a-
dang it moment or...
It's a different screen. It's not an odd dang it moment.
Oh, hell yeah. Alright,
Okay,
Casper,
so the
orbit.
honeydew code.
Casper doesn't
um,
matter, go to orbit.
No. I'm already in orbit, but I was about to read something quite important. Honeydew is a is a Bungie manually issued thing.
Yes,
like,
we're about to...
Public
load into
access
it.
to an activity has been manually overridden by Bungie.
What activity?
I cannot go to planets.
Alright, well...
I don't know. We can try the thingamabob.
Yeah,
My
but that's
game
not a
is
planet.
taking a massive fucking shit. Like a colossal shit.
I'm also content.
Oh, it's because I'm in a cutscene. Okay, definitely.
Go watch the cutscene.
Almost 2 pages on my friends list of friends are online, you know.
Almost 3. Most of these I haven't talked to or played with in forever.
Damn. Legion of cookies.
They're cool
Clan,
people.
huh?
They're cool people.
We're just being abandoned.
You're in a different clan than you joined a random clan with Lewis.
Yes. I don't know why I did that.
I wonder if Thingamabob are trying to get on.
Hmm?
I wonder if some of the people in the thingy are trying to get on.
They
Ooh,
probably
based
are.
Hoyle loadout on Solo. What are you cooking?
I should probably get magnetic stasis shards instead of
Flute will be gone for a whole bunch of minutes.
probably. Where'd he go?
Flute? Oh, he's doing the cutscene stuff.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Flute. At least he's in the game.
Yeah.
I might go take a quick bathroom break because I need a bathroom break.
Alright, then go to that now.
Yeah. cookie.
Yo.
Oh right, I cranked up my volume. Fuck.
Get in the fire team.
No, I need to fix my volume.
Did you change mic?
No,
I mean, Amy.
No? Why would I
you sound a bit crusty.
do that? Oh, my apologies.
Is there anything worth buying in the tower?
Not really.
No.
Straight into the fighting with you.
Where's my fire team? Oh, Football is online.
Yeah, the other three are already playing the campaign.
Yeah, because they actually got in.
Alright, hit it.
I did it.
Grab your guns from the vault if you need any.
I will kill them if they spoil anything.
They won't. There's only one. Wait.
Well,
I just said get the guns from the vault!
What the fuck do you think I was doing?
You didn't say you were doing it.
Long ago, the
okay,
traveler
well,
came to
I
the
already
soul
saw this.
system. It
Hey, you
brought
too?
I
a
wanted to
golden
put Red Dead
age
in
to
the vault.
humanity.
Now I have no space to put energy weapons. Fuck.
Rebuilt. They thrived.
that's fine. Just grab
Until
some.
they collapsed.
The most scrap red definitely
A
require its
terrible
base
calamity
Skip
power.
this?
caused by the traveler's
Yeah.
oldest enemy.
Amy, skip
It
this?
brought the people of Soul
Yeah.
to the brink
Wait, I
of
didn't. No, I didn't see this. Right?
Yes,
Oh, you can always see it when you load onto a different character.
you should have already seen it.
Okay, first off, skipping cutscenes without asking everyone is a very bad.
I
practice.
asked. I thought you said
Second off,
yeah.
fine. No, I didn't.
How about
Stop
you make
making up things I say.
How about you make like Fluke fighting later, Casper? I think that's a better idea.
No, it's fine.
I'm sorry that I'm incapable.
How do I get Still Hunt? I want Still Hunt.
Sam. Oh, did
In
you?
the cutscene. Oh, okay, I did see this one.
Okay, lovely. Let's skip it.
Come on, England. Legend.
Wait.
Galvanized.
Okay,
Oh
now we-
hell no, epitaph. And chaff.
I'm not allowed to put shit in my vault.
Is it
Ooh,
full?
wow. No. Okay, just go. I don't care.
Transmigration.
Oh, it did it. Big.
Oh man, I'm so fucking hyped. Just give it a big Casper.
You don't have the same thing on your screen as I do you?
What do you have on your screen?
Contacting Destiny 2 servers.
It's fine, it does that.
Yes,
My game
that
just
that is
froze.
normal. Did you untab out of it?
No, I did not. I have been sitting here with my hands on my shark.
Just give it a bit.
Yeah, potato, potato.
That's not how you use that expression.
Uh,
You say that with two fingers.
Shut up!
A great start to the campaign. I browse the Eververse store.
You left our.
Error! Honeydew! Ah, motherfucker.
Yeah, I had the same thing earlier.
Holy! That screen looks fucking epic. Okay, hold on, let me get back in the
I
vault.
have a black screen.
Can you stop matchmaking?
No,
We're
I
in the-
cannot.
we're
I
looking right now.
cannot.
Yo, that Whisper ornament is fucking epic. I'm grabbing that.
I don't care about it too much. I want the Kvostov ornament. But, I don't know, we don't know if that's coming in Bright Dust later. Smile.
Yes, we do.
Do we? Did it update?
Well, actually, maybe not. I'll check.
Because I have the Eververse calendar open right here and it still says Season of the Wish dust items.
Oh, well, I do know one thing. Most of the time when new exotic ornaments release, they will, like, be sold for Bright Dust that season.
There's usually 2 per season that aren't.
Yeah.
That Kvostov ornament does not look that good.
I'm
to be
still
honest.
loading in a black screen. Not looking great.
You're not a big fan of the Kafasta ornament?
No, it just looks very basic.
I like it a lot.
I got my golden whisper now though.
I think we both
I don't
have
have a-
different tastes.
Hold on.
Still
Should
loading.
probably grab a kinetic primary.
Gasp, I have a better idea.
Switch character?
Press I, press escape twice quickly, change character.
No, I mean, you could just go to gameplay settings. There's a button right there.
Yes, but what I just did was a lot faster.
No. It was inconvenient.
Alright, I'll just join off loot.
Big.
Oh damn, that screen!
Yeah, it's fucking epic.
I can't do anything.
Oh, I forgot to put my good gun in the vault. No, whatever.
I click join, nothing happens.
Give it a minute.
I have a black screen.
Error code sheep.
Only 3 more golf balls and I don't have to play anymore. What do
Where
you
did
mean,
go,
meme
my
rat?
friends? Oh, there you go.
Alright, guys, I have a completely black screen.
Oké, ik ga trouwens geen Engels praten, ik precies man.
Okay. Well, I'm streaming, so,
Oké, leuk voor je.
Okay, Phil's in hierin. I cannot be bothered with that kind of reaction. I'm sorry. Destiny 2 servers are tripping. Masterworking my action warrig. You need to get SB. Oh, sweet business. Error code sheep. Anyway, yeah. Amy was like, yeah, I'm not going to speak English anymore. I can't be bothered. You can at least ask me if we can stop speaking English instead of just being an ass about it. So, I left the voice call because I want to keep streaming. Yeah, didn't they say the servers would be unshit? Oh my god, just crashed. Oh. Disconnected. Might not get in. Due to increased traffic, login servers of Destiny 2 are currently being throttled. Great. Might have to stop stream because of this. I couldn't do anything with the past hour anyway. Tidfall? Titanfall? No, I'm not gonna do that. I might just stop stream. Oh, verifying content. Never mind. Somehow back in. Anyhows, I'm going to try loading onto a planet. If I can't load onto a planet, then I'm going to stop streaming. Day one experiences? I thought they'd be cool, but they're quite horrible. This is still not able to update. Dim is dead. I love how I get a dude serious when I disconnect after getting that attitude. They're not gonna put the blame on me for not playing the evening like that. Nuh-uh. It's because I don't have the energy or want to put the energy in having a discussion. Anyways, let's get this over with. Oh, yippee, I can load. Please. Please let me do something. Alright, contacting Destiny 2 servers. Can I load into this without getting, what was it, any kind of error code? This screen looks pretty rad though. Oh, weaseled. I mean, I understand why it's so fucked right now. Can you actually see it on Steam charts? Current players? Nah, this isn't real. That's not real. That's fake. This is fake. I don't believe this. It's probably way higher. Hold on, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Let's try that again, shall we? And contacting Destiny 2 servers. Can I go to the tower? Hello? I think it's done. I think it's donezo. I think this is gonna be it. probably going to be more stable tomorrow. Weasel. Destiny. Weasel. So what is this? General networking issue. So the servers are just shitting themselves. I mean, I am on wired connection. Power cycle your console. Huh. Bummer. Well, I think that's where I'm gonna call it. I don't know if I want to bother with this. Destiny 2 servers are not available. Yeah, right. I mean, at least the music is good. But it looks like we're back to this. Womp, womp. Excuse me. Alright, chat. I'm gonna call it here. I think. This isn't it. I can't do anything, and I can't be bothered to pivot to something else. I'm gonna mute the game for a moment. Come on, give me the audio thing. There we go. And go toward it a day. I'm sorry, but why the fuck would I wait for this? It's very clearly not gonna work for the rest of the day. I'm still getting Destiny 2 is not available. So I don't want to hopelessly slam my head against a wall. All right, that's it for tonight. Have a nice one. See ya.